Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Now, if we are looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are still sitting above that $2 trillion mark, and over the last 24 hours, we are up 2.3%. Meanwhile, BTC dominance as of now is sitting at 40.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, like I mentioned, in the last 24 hours, we're finally starting to see some sort of green, some sort of relief across the cryptocurrency market. So far, everything is looking very, very nice in my personal opinion. Some of the altcoins are up double digits, such as Polkadot up 11.4%. So far, everything is looking very, very nice for the overall market as we speak. But today, guys, I want to look further into Vechain and share an update with you guys regarding that. If we are looking at the Vechain's price, guys, Vechain is up 7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 3.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. So one thing I want to point out to you guys is that we are seeing altcoins outpace Bitcoin as we speak right now because BTC dominance is low. If we're looking at the overall market cap right now, we're sitting at $6.6 trillion, not trillion, $6.6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $588.9 million. Current rank is at the top 28 spot on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko. But zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 684.5%. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices for VeChain. But now, one thing I want to point out for you guys is especially if you are a regular viewer on my channel, and that is if you guys can go on this VeChain's Twitter account. They are saying what influencers or bloggers do you like, tag them here so that they know they can accept donations in VeChain using their own branded link. So if you guys can do me a favor, go follow me on Twitter at crypto_zx and just go and tweet and tag me under this. Your support would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. But now if we go deep dive into the charts and see what's exactly going on with VeChain's price, you guys can see we are approaching this level of resistance, and this is one of the most important levels for VeChain, which is around this 10 cents mark. You guys can see we wicked literally right to this level of resistance, but we got rejected. One thing I want to point out for you guys is that we are not seeing enough buying pressure kick in as of now, but I would not be surprised if Bitcoin decides to continue to go towards the upside. I would not be surprised if we get above this level of resistance very easily. But this is one of the levels of resistance that I look at for VeChain very closely. And me personally, I would like for this, I would like for VeChain to stay above this level of resistance at all costs. If we are bringing out the measuring tool, guys, from just yesterday, we were at that 8.3 cents mark. If you manage to pick up some VeChain around there, you're already up 16% roughly. Right now, VeChain is up about 16%. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is at about like 7%. So you guys can clearly see that we are outpacing the Bitcoin price momentum right now. So let's look at Bitcoin's price briefly and see what's exactly going on, and then we will come and make a conclusion as to what is most likely going to happen with the price of VeChain. So you guys can see we wicked below this level of support at this $43,000 mark, and I did say, guys, if we break below this level, then we do have more downward momentum to occur. But we did see the bulls come and save the day. We saw a wick all the way down to $39,540, and since then, if we are bringing out the measuring tool right now for you guys, we are up about 9.7% from the lowest wick that we saw yesterday. So far so good. We're back above this level of resistance at this $43,000 mark, and I would like for this level to hold for us. As long as Bitcoin stays above this level, even if Bitcoin decides to trade sideways for a while, I am extremely happy. Like, I will take that. As long as we stay above one of these two levels of resistance. Right now, it is going to be it is a support for us. So that is good in my personal opinion. So far everything is looking good. Obviously, we are seeing China FUD. There's more China FUD coming in once again, guys. You guys know when we did see this initial China FUD that caused the entire cryptocurrency markets to plummet over the past few months ago. And then that really created a lot of sideways momentum occurring for us. But I personally believe that we're you know in the Q4, and I really do believe that we are going to see the parabolic cycle that we did see back in 2017, where markets literally, went absolutely insane. And if history were to repeat itself, I could see that happening myself. And I'm very, very confident that we will see some of the altcoins are already starting to see, that effect happen to them, such as Solana. You guys can go see what Solana has been doing over the past month and a half, and I believe Solana still has more, uh, you know, ways to go during this bull cycle. But you guys get the gist of what I'm trying to say. And projects with real use case, big communities, and at the end of the day, like, with massive communities are here to stay. And VeChain by far is one of them. I have been saying this for over and over again because, guys, VeChain at the end of the day is just not an ordinary coin that you come and you're like, what, this coin seems interesting. I have done my due diligence and research. I'm just going to go invest in it. No, VeChain is more than just a speculative coin. It has a working product and it is bringing blockchain to the masses. And we are working with some of the biggest organizations around the world, some of the biggest names around the world. And this basically makes it, more appealing to other organizations that have not touched the blockchain space yet to feel more comfort going towards this industry rather than not touching it. And VeChain is by far the only project that I can think of that is bringing mass adoption to the cryptocurrency space as a whole. And if they continue to do what they're doing, guys, sky's the limit. I have been saying this for over and over again. We did get negatively affected by that China FUD that we did see come out. That has obviously some sort of effect to play because, again, VeChain is a Chinese company as well, so that is somewhat correlated with one another. But long-term perspective, guys, sky's the limit for the project like VeChain. And I still believe we are going to see newer all-time highs this bull cycle alone. Right now, I would like for us to get back above this level of resistance and gradually move back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, guys. If we are bringing out the measuring tool, that would roughly mean we need a move of about 20% to get back into the 61.8, because this is a very, very important level because we do have a lot of support built up around here, as you guys can see. And then I want us to break above this level of resistance and get back into this 0.50 and actually smash past it this time rather than just wick above it for a couple of seconds. You guys can see we have not been able to smash past this level of resistance for quite a while, which is at this 15.4 cents market. Once we do that, guys, then things are about to start rolling, and I believe we are going to see newer all-time highs very, very fast. So this is a very, very important level of resistance in my personal opinion for the price of VeChain. But with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. Please, guys, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below what you guys think and where you guys could see VeChain's price go at the end of this year. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and tell me, are you guys in it for the long haul? Are you here for the short term? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and do not forget to go and tag me in this Twitter tweet that I mentioned earlier in this video. Your support would be greatly appreciated, guys. Thank you so much once again. I love each and every one of you guys. Road to 100,000 subscribers, and I know we will do just that. And also let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to cover specific projects, and I will bring you guys just that. But stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.